Horizontal line means parallel to x-axis, vertical line means parallel to y-axis. The equation of a line horizontal or parallel to x-axis is generally represented by y is equal to a. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1 is just replaced with y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. When the slope and x-intercept is given, the equation can be written as y is equal to m into x minus d. Hello everyone, a warm welcome to one and all. This is your Shruti ma'am lecturing in Vidhyaashram, the Temple of Excellence, Mysuru. So in our previous session, we have learned how to find the slope of a given line, how to find the angle between two lines when the slope is given, and how to prove the 3 points are collinear when the slopes is given, or whether to say the 3 points are collinear after finding the slopes. In today's session, we will be starting with the new concepts, that is various forms of equations of line. So we have a general equation of a line which you have studied in your earlier classes, that is y is equal to mx plus c form, where m is called the slope of the given line and c is called the y-intercept of the line. But we have many more equations to represent the equation of line. Along with that, this is one of those kind. Let us see what are those equations of line. In the first one, we have horizontal and vertical line. Horizontal line means parallel to x-axis. Vertical line means parallel to y-axis. Point slope form, 2-point form, slope intercept form. In today's session, we will learning 4 types to write an equation of a given line based on the given condition. So here we have a horizontal and vertical line. So what is the equation of a horizontal line? Above the x-axis. We know the equation of the x-axis is y is equal to 0. So because on the x-axis, the value of y is 0. So we will write the equation as y is equal to 0. 1 centimeter above the x-axis if you take, we will take the equation as y is equal to y. 2 centimeter below if it is there, we take the equation as y is equal to minus 2. The distance is 2 from the x-axis, but the equation is y is equal to minus 2. So therefore, in general, the equation of a line horizontal or parallel to x-axis is generally represented by y is equal to a. That is, above the x-axis, the value of y is positive, so I have taken it as y is equal to a. And below the x-axis, the value of y is negative, so therefore we will take it as y is equal to minus a. So it is a constant. Next, similarly, the equation of vertical line at a distance b. Suppose we have a line here, it is at certain distance. So this is positive x-axis and this is negative x. If the distance is minus b, if in the case of negative x-axis, then the equation of a line parallel to y-axis on the right hand side, it is x is equal to b. On its left, it is x is equal to minus b. Plus and minus represents the positive and negative x-axis, not the distance. So therefore, all the horizontal line have a equation y is equal to plus or minus a, and all the vertical lines have the equation x is equal to plus or minus a. Here we have given a question. Find the equation of the line parallel to x-axis and passing through the points minus 2, 3. So here, this is x-axis, y-axis. So we have a point minus 2, 3. So minus 2, 3 is somewhere here. So for minus 2, 3, let me take this point as minus 2, 3. So if this is the point, we are supposed to find the equation of line parallel to the axis. So one is this line which is parallel to the y-axis, and another one is parallel to this line which is x-axis. All the horizontal lines have an equation y is equal to some constant, and all the vertical lines have the equation x is equal to some constant. But here the value of the distance from y and x is given. So therefore, for this, the distance from x-axis is y is equal to 3. So therefore, here instead of k, we are going to write 3. So this is the equation of the line parallel to x-axis. So equation of line parallel to x-axis is y is equal to 3. Similarly, equation of line parallel to y-axis is, so what is the distance? It is -2. Therefore, x is equal to -2. So this is the equation of these two lines which are parallel to x as well as y-axis. So next we have a point to slope form. So the point to slope form of equation of line is given by y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So here, if this is the coordinate, so let me take this coordinate as x and y. Suppose P is a point x comma y and a line is passing through the point P. We'll take one more point on the line. Let me take it as P1 whose coordinates are x1 comma y1. Then their slope is given by y1 minus y divided by x1 minus y. So when you cross multiply, this will give the equation of a line which is passing through the given point. So here a point P is given whose slope is m. That's why the general equation is represented by y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1, where x1, y1 are the coordinates of the point and m is the slope given. Here we have a question. Find the equation of the line through -2, 3 with slope -4. What is the general equation of a line when the point and slope is given? It is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. The points are given. x1 is -2, y1 is 3. So it is y minus 3. What is the slope? -4. X minus of -2 is +2. Multiply. So -4x minus 8. Take all the values to your left hand side. Then you write it as 4x plus y. -8 comes here. It becomes +8. +8 minus 3 is 5. So this is the general equation of line. So any equation must be expressed in this form. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So this is the linear equation of a line. Next we have again same question, passing through 2, 2 root 3 and inclined with the x-axis at an angle of 75. I don't know the slope here, but the inclination of the line is given. I can clearly write the value. Now, theta is given, that is 75. I need to calculate tan theta. Why? Because m is nothing but tan theta. If I know the slope, point is given. If I know the slope, I can write the equation. So now, tan 75. Tan 75 can be written as tan 45 plus 30 degree. Using the formula of tan A plus B, I can calculate the value of tan 45 plus 30 degree. So I'll get the value as 2 plus root 3. Or in your examination, write directly tan 75 degree is equal to 2 plus root 3. So now I got m is equal to 2 plus root 3. I know x1 and y1 value. Again using the formula, y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So y minus 2 root 3 is equal to 2 plus root 3 into x minus 2. So y minus 2 root 3. So 2 plus root 3x minus 2, 2s are 4 minus 2 root 3. So I can cancel minus 2 root 3 minus 2 root 3 on the both sides. I'll write this as 2 plus root 3 into x minus y minus 4 is equal to 0. So this is the equation. So I have kept x minus y minus 4 is here only. General expression ax plus by plus c form. So this is the equation of the given line. Now how to calculate this? So if you don't know how to calculate this, use the formula of tan A plus B. What is tan A plus B? Tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A tan B. So here A value you can take it as 45 degree, B value as 30 degree. So tan 45 is 1, tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. So again here 1 minus 1 by root 3 you will get. You will get this as root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1. So after rationalizing it, you will get this as 2 plus root 3. So since the question carries only 2 marks here, so directly write the value of tan 75 degree as 2 plus root 3. Next we have one more general equation to write the equation of a line when it is passing through 2 points. So in our previous case, the point and the slope of the line is given, but here only the points are given. So if the equation of the line passing through 2 points, whenever the line is passing through 2 points, we can also calculate their slope using the formula y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So therefore, here the value of m is replaced by the equation y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, and this is same. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1 is just replaced with y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Because the points is given, the slope is not given. To calculate the slope, use this formula and express it as general equation. So here we have a question. Write the equation of the line through the points 1, minus 1 and 3, 5. So now let me take this as x1, y1, x2, y2. So how to calculate now? Let me calculate the slope of the given line, that is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So that is 5 plus 1 divided by 3 minus 1, which is 6 by 2, which is equal to 3 now. Now therefore, the equation of the line is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. You can replace this also here, which is same. Now what is the value of y1? Y plus 1. M is 3. X minus 1. So y plus 1, 3x minus 3. So 3x minus y plus 1, if you shift here, minus 1 minus 4. So this is the general equation of the given line. Next we have a slope intercept form, which is already you have learned. So here the slope of the given line is given and intercept C is given. Intercept C is nothing but the distance from the y-axis. So if this is the point, then this distance is your y-intercept, which is represented using the symbol C. So if the intercept on y-axis and the slope of the given line is given, you can express it as y is equal to mx plus c, where m is the slope and c is the y-intercept. Next, here we have an equation. Write the equation of the line for which tan theta is equal to half, where theta is the inclination of the line and y-intercept is given minus 3 by 2. And what if x-intercept is given? Next equation, we have slope-intercept form of a line. So this one you have already learnt. That is y is equal to mx plus c form. M is the slope of the line and c is the distance of a point from y. So this is your y-intercept. So whatever the distance given here, that is the distance of the point y-intercept is the point C, and the m is given. So whenever the slope and the intercept, y-intercept is given, the formula to calculate or to write equation of line is y is equal to mx plus c. So this is when the y-axis or y-intercept is given. We have one more equation, that is y is equal to x into m minus d. So along with this, we have one more equation, that is y is equal to m into x minus d. So this is when the x-intercept given. So here the d is nothing but x-intercept. So suppose this is the point, then the intercept from x is the distance d. So that is x-intercept. So when slope and y-intercept is given, the equation can be written as y is equal to mx plus c. When the slope and x-intercept is given, the equation can be written as y is equal to m into x minus d. Next we'll calculate this using problem. Write the equation of the lines for which tan theta is half, where theta is the inclination of the line and y-intercept is minus 3 by 2, x-intercept is 4. So here tan theta is equal to half is given. What is tan theta? Your slope. Tan theta is nothing but slope. So here m is given. In the next case, y-intercept, that is means c is given, and here x-intercept is given, that is nothing but d. So first case is slope intercept form whenever y-intercept is given, that is y is equal to mx plus c. So y is equal to m is given as half, c is minus 3 by 2. Multiply 2 on both sides, you will get it as 2y is equal to x minus 3 or x minus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0. This is the equation. In the second case, it is of the form y is equal to m into x minus d, because x-intercept is given. So therefore, this implies y is equal to half into x minus d value is 4. Again, multiply 2 here, it is 2y is equal to x minus 4, or you can write it as x minus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. So this is the equation whenever y-intercept and x-intercept is given along with the slope. Next, here we have find the equation of a straight line intersecting the y-axis at distance 2 units above the origin and making an angle theta with the positive direction of x-axis. That means, so here the line we have, so it is intersecting the y-axis at the distance 2, that means the coordinate of this point is 0, 2, and it is making an angle theta degree along with the positive direction of x-axis. So this is the line. Now we have to calculate the slope and we will write the expression because the y-intercept is given. Now since theta is given, m is equal to tan theta, which is nothing but tan 30 degree. The value of tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. Next, y-axis at distance 2 units above the origin, that is distance of the line intersecting at 2. So therefore, your c value is 2. What is the general equation? Y is equal to mx plus c. So y is equal to m is 1 by root 3x plus 2. Multiply root 3, so it becomes root 3y x plus 2 root 3, or the equation is x minus root 3y plus 2 root 3 is equal to 0. So this is the general equation of the line given. So in this session, we have learnt 4 types to represent or to write a equation of line in different forms. So in our next session, we'll learn few more types to write an equation of a line whenever the conditions are given. Until then, keep watching, keep learning and keep exploring. Thank you.